If you have Microsoft Office Excel application installed on your computer, you can start the application if you locate and click on the application icon on the computer. If you click on the icon once and Excel does not open, double-click on the icon. Generally, when you start Excel, you will be provided with this Startup Excel window. To the left of the window, under Recent, you are provided with a list of recently opened workbooks. If you right-click on an item on the list, you are provided with these options. You can also locate and open any other workbook on the computer if you click on Open Other Workbooks. To the right of the window, you are provided with templates. Templates are very important. They help simplify the task of creating an Excel workbook. You will have to look for a template that closely resembles the kind of workbook you want to create. You can scroll down to get more templates. If you are unable to find a template that closely resembles the kind of workbook you want to create, if you are connected to the internet, you can enter a search term on this search box. If you hit enter, Microsoft will provide you with a list of templates that are related to the search term. You will have to decide which of those templates closely resembles the kind of workbook you want to create. You will also have to download the workbook before you can use it. Generally, any template you create can be found under Personal. On this window, you can sign into your Microsoft Office account and you can click here to learn more. You can also minimize this window here. You can maximize the window here. You can get help here, and you can close the Microsoft Office Excel application here. Let's start with a blank workbook template. To start with a blank workbook template, click on the blank workbook template. Alternatively, just press the escape key on the keyboard. A new workbook have been opened based on the blank workbook template. This workbook is given the default name, Book 1. At this stage, only Excel is aware of this document. If I should close Excel, it will be impossible to recover this document. A quick way to save this document on the computer is to hold down the Control key on the keyboard and press S. You will have to decide where you want to save the document, then provide a name and select a format for the document. When you do that, then you can always go to the same location to find and open the document. Another way to open a document is to double-click on the document. When you double-click on an Excel document, Excel will open the document.